Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to export customers list in WooCommerce WordPress. So first of all guys, I will show you how to add WooCommerce plugin to your WordPress website. So it is pretty simple. Go to your plugins and click on add new and then search for plugins, search for WooCommerce and then click on search. After that you will have to wait, then install this plugin. So like that, install now and then activate it. So check it if it was reactivated from here. So as you can see, it is activated. Then now what we are going to do is actually export customer list. In order to do that, we need to see to add a new plugin which is export. So click in here, search for export real quick. Here we go, export, and sorry, here we go. And here it is. It will be somewhere like here. Advanced order export for WooCommerce. So click in here, install it, and then activate it. Now let's go to WooCommerce and then let's go to customers. As you can see here, you'll find a bunch of customers. So after you install the plugin, all you need to do after activating it, go to customers and then pretty much just go to here and click on download. As you can see here, you can these are the columns that you will notice and see. You can remove, for example, this, remove this, this. We can actually remove bunch of stuff, city, region, keep only these and click on download and it will be installed as an Excel file, so you can just open it using Excel. And here it is. So this is all the files or data that you have gotten from your website. So that's pretty much it. It is pretty simple guys, as you noticed. It will take like 1 minute of your time to actually have it exported. So you just need to go to your WooCommerce, go to customers, and then all you need to do is actually go to download and click on it. Of course, you can search for customers and download it. You can make some filters in here, but yeah, you can do whatever you'd like. So again, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.